Good day, my dear students. How are you today? I wish you all the best in distance learning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Алипаева Айгүл Ағылшын. I am a teacher of English language at Sadıkbek Adambek Secondary School, which is an art city. Today we will take the new unit about food and drink. And the theme of the lesson is things I like, I don't like for the first grade. Before the start of our lesson, pay attention to the learning objectives. Here we need to develop listening and speaking skills. Recognize with support short basic questions about what something is. Make basic personal statements about people, objects, and classroom routines. Use words in short exchanges. Let's start our lesson. I think that you are okay and very good. Балалар, бүгінгі біздің тақырыбымыздың аты тағам және сусындар. Менің ұнататын және ұнатпайтын тағамдарым. Today we get some new words about food and drink, and let's talk about food and drink. New words. Жаңа сөздермен танысайық, балалар. Food, тамақ. Drink, сусын. Bread, нан. Apples, алмалар. Bananas, банандар. Lemons, лимондар. Cheese, сыр. Eggs, жұмыртқалар. Fish, балық. Tea, шай. Milk, süt. Juice, шырын. Ice cream, балмұздақ. Please open your vocabularies and you will write these new words in your vocabulary book. Okay, look at the picture. We must read these words. Listen to me attentively and repeat after me all together. Суретке қарап, мұқият тыңдап, бірнеше рет қайталаймыз, балалар. Food, food. Drink, drink. Bread, bread. Apples, apples. Bananas, bananas. Lemons, lemons. Cheese, cheese. Eggs, eggs. Fish, fish. Tea, tea. Milk, milk. Juice, juice. Ice cream, ice cream. Okay, the next task. Look at the pictures. Say what you like and don't like. Descriptor. A learner says what he/she like, says what he/she doesn't like. I like, маған ұнайды. I don't like, маған ұнамайды дегенді білдіреді, балалар. I like milk, мен сүтті ұнатамын. I don't like fish, мен балықты ұнатпаймын. Ал сұраулы түрінде, балалар. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Саған алмалар ұнай ма? Иә, ұнайды. Do you like cheese? No, I don't. Саған сыр ұнай ма? Жоқ, ұнамайды. Okay, pupils, and now let's get a rest. I will show you an interesting video.
Do you like spaghetti? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like yogurt? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like spaghetti yogurt? No, I don't. Yucky. Do you like cookies? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like salad? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like cookie salad? No, I don't. Yucky. Do you like tomatoes? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like pancakes? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like tomato pancakes? No, I don't. Yucky.
Thank you for your watch. And now let's do some exercises. Look at the picture of food and drink. Ask your partner what you like and don't like. You can use these questions. Descriptor: asks and answer questions. Uses topic words appropriately. Pronounces words and expressions clearly. For example, do you like apples? Балалар, сіздер маған сұраққа жауап берулеріңіз керек. Алма саған ұнай ма? Окей, супер. Do you like lemons? Сізге лимон ұнай ма? Excellent. Do you like cakes? Сізге кекс ұнай ма? Супер. Do you like bread? Сізге нан ұнай ма? Very good. Do you like juice? Сізге шырын ұнай ма? Excellent. Do you like tea? Okay, good job. And now let's see the next video.
I like pizza, I don't like soup, and my favorite food is sushi.
I like chocolate. I don't like chips. But my favorite food is cupcakes. I like eggs. I don't like donuts. And my favorite food is cheese. Cheese is my favorite. I love cheese.
I like pumpkin. I don't like candy. And my favorite food is fish. I love fish.
I like meatballs. They're delicious. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. But I don't like lollipops. They're bad for my teeth. And I don't want to go to the dentist because I'm scared. And my favorite food is ice cream.
I like apples and oranges, but I don't like bananas or grapes. My favorite fruit is strawberries. Yummy.
Okay, pupils, do you understand this video? What about this video? If you understand today's theme, your home task is to learn by heart new words and learn by heart new structure. I like, I don't like. Ал балалар, бүгінгі тақырып сіздерге түсінікті болды ма? Егер де түсінікті болса, үй тапсырмасын берейін сіздерге балалар. Жаңа сөздіктерді жаттап келу және I like, I don't like құрылымына сөйлемдер құрастыру. Don't forget do your home task. The lesson is over. Thank you for attention. Goodbye, pupils.